Welcome, Dr. Anandakrishnan. He is my Anandakrishnan. Welcome to What India Needs. I know him when he was 17 years old, Anandakrishnan. 18.
Yeah, okay. Not 17, perhaps around 18 and a half.
18 and a half years old. So it's a long journey. He was a plus 2 completed person. Then he took graduation in journalism, masters in journalism, Dr. Anandakrishnan, journalism doctorate. Very rarely people go for masters or even, they good enough. If you want to work as a journalist, that's good enough. But the academic pursuit is what is special, and he loves lectures, giving lectures. And India's probably, I keep mentioning Dr. Anandakrishnan. We celebrate Teachers' Day when a teacher became a president. But I keep saying that's not a good option. We should celebrate when a president becomes a teacher. Anyway, having declared a Teachers' Day, we have no choice to change it. And Dr. Anandakrishnan worked very closely with APJ Abdul Kalam, who was in Department of Space, later in Defense. When Anandakrishnan did a lot of investigative or maybe taking the defense to public by writing on different aspects about the people, gadgets, flights, weapons. Probably in India there may not be anybody like Anandakrishnan who became a spokesperson for aeronautical laboratory, right? HAL or NAL? HAL. I don't think anybody would have gone into that profession. And then we had all throughout, on all his steps, we were parting some discussions. But formally, probably this is the one. And he hosts the greatest personalities of India and does lot of activities to take their message to children and students. And he is a good mentor. He means lot of students on this. He runs 007.
Yeah, Tarmac 007.
Tarmac 007. That's his branch. And that's a media house sort of an activity, and he's a great author. I cherished reading his book on I don't know whether specially abled sports woman of India, and her life was actually striving for getting small things from government. Probably if she would have lost her heart somewhere in between, she will not be where she is. So there are a lot of stories to share. So welcome Dr. Anandakrishnan, my Anandu, on What India Needs.
Yeah, thank you so much for this wonderful introduction. I think I must tell you, when I was 18 and a half, I was thrown out of my house because I left engineering and came to Hyderabad. So from Kerala to Latur. So I landed at a place when I was on the street, basically nowhere to go, but only a small passion to chase, that is to become a journalist. So I must thank you for standing by me at a time in life. That is what matters. Who stands by you when nobody is around? Today, perhaps because of the so-called name and position, and which I don't really care, but people all look at you from that point of view. So, young chap holding on to his dream of becoming a journalist. in the streets of Hyderabad, and there is somebody's mic is on. I think there is a lot of echo. Yeah, okay. So, I think whatever I am now at this 49. So next year I complete 50 and also 30 years in journalism. So you have been part of my life in a big way, and Doctor, a lot of people now associate me as Kalam Shishya and so many other accolades. But what many do not know is that shaping of Anand Krishnan, Dr. Shashi Kumar, his wife, and some very few scientists of, I would say, ISR. And of course, there were many others in Hyderabad. So to me, perhaps I am now sitting and ready to quizzed or grilled by a guru of a different kind. Thank you so much. And my pranams to all the people who have joined. And I am ready to be grilled for a change. I am being questioned. All through my career, I was asking questions as a journalist, as of different aerospace and defense and different fields. So it's a welcome change for me as a journalist to sit in this box, to be quizzed, and I am ready for it. Please go ahead.
Actually, Anandakrishnan, our format is probably 10 to 20 minutes.
Your mic is muted.
Yeah. What you do in our format is generally 10 to 20 minutes. We will have a dialogue on what India needs. Probably in your views, where the focus is to be in terms of action, where the focus is to be in terms of looking at which generation, what activity, what can be contributed, what is lacking, instead of finding out what is lacking, probably what can be done from today, because all of us know what is today state. So some positive response on that. And I remember Anandakrishnan was there in Gnanam, and he wrote a beautiful article on what is happening around there.
Anusha is there. Hey, hi Anusha. Oh, yeah. Okay, welcome. Very proud of your achievements, Anusha. Yeah.
I was just to tell that anyway, you caught.
I'm a military journalist. Remember, my radars are very sharp.
Okay, so that sentence is cut now. I wanted to tell, do you know anybody here was my question, so that's over.
Do you know anybody here? Is, of course, there is Group Captain Narang. He is just retired from Indian Air Force. He is perhaps joining from Delhi. A very fine aviator and a very fine author. And I would say perhaps unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. He is perhaps the go-to man. Mark my words, time will tell. The kind of research, the kind of homework Group Captain Narang has done is amazing. And his book is there on UAVs. He has predicted that there will be drone attacks on establishments, and exactly it happened very recently. I'm not getting into the details. So welcome Group Captain Narang, and we are very proud of people like you.
Namaskaram.
Thank you, Dr. Ananda.
No, Namaskaram, Dr. Narayan. I was part of Aviation Research Center.
Narang,
yeah.
He's from North, yeah.
I was there in ARC, Delhi.
Oh, wow, sir.
I was deputy director there.
Great to meet such people, and I must say, I also get inspired when I see the stories done by Dr. Ananta Krishna. And he did a book review of mine, and I can proudly say that he was the one who read my book and did a review without asking me anything. And whatever he had done it, everything is worth reading. Even for me, I never knew somebody can read so carefully and come out with the gist of my book in one review. So it was really great meeting him. And I'm sure today's interaction, and I was very curious when he sent a message that he's going to be grilled, because even I'm curious to know what this man is and how does he do it. And I look forward to today's interaction.
No, it's only learning each other, talking each other, so that the next generation will take some message.
And just to share what I'm thinking is, now I just did a study. I will share with Dr. Ananta very soon. My view is the counter drones are going to be a next opportunity for India to go for Make in India, and we will do it. And I look forward to same patronage from Dr. Ananta and learning from him through his long and very interesting journey. Thank you.
Thank you. So what we do here is to look at what we can and how we can. So he has just thrown one missile of action where children have to look at what can be done. So there are many areas where we have to look at. So I think everyone has got something to contribute, but not in terms of ideas, but in terms of some action where we can trigger at least some activities. That is what we are looking for. So we are in a journey of understanding different aspects of India, how India has to grow, where India has to gear. That's what the conversation is. So Anandakrishnan, you have gone through, like just now what mentioned, reading many things. How is our authentic contribution in terms of real, readable, great standard of books where probably children can get motivated from the life story, not from the many people write stuff, but what is really readable contribution which India has? So probably if somebody has to take a cue.
The readable for youngsters?
Yeah, young.
Yeah. Okay, so let me just honestly tell you that, I have read very few books. In fact, I have a small library now, but, I have read very few books because, I have some sort of convinced that if you keep your mind and soul in an idea mode, experimental mode, in a mode that is always inspiring, and perhaps in a mad mode, I think you will, over a period of time, experience some kind of a magic. And now this magic is needed to, I would say, it has helped me. This magic has helped me to stay focused all the time. If you ask me, I will come to your answer, but before that, because it's targeted at youngsters, which is my favorite, people like Anusha, and I can see Shivam, Vaishnavi, Edu, and a lot of others. The issue with our country is India, because what India needs. If you ask me, India needs more mad people. We need youngsters to graduate to madness. Now, the problem with our society, or our universities, because I very closely interact with universities and it is quite shocking. Because it is the kind of politics that's there in the universities, the very low levels of teaching, quite shocking. So there is problem everywhere, and I don't want to convert this into a negative kind of thing, accusing people or anything, but back to the thing is madness. So I haven't read any great books, but if you really come to ask the question, what are the books that really inspired me is, the first and foremost book is Jonathan Livingston Seagull by Richard Bach. By Richard Bach, Jonathan Livingston Seagull. This book, not youngsters, everybody should read. Jonathan Livingston Seagull. Seagull the bird by Richard Bach. Richard Bach. Now, what is this book all about? It's a very small book. The smallest book, very small book, perhaps the little bit bigger the size of an iPad. And it has got great photographs in black and white of a bird flying, seagull. to why is this book interesting? This is a story of a bird which decided to be a different bird. Understood? It chose, because what do seagulls do? Ever since they born till they die, from the seashore, go to the sea, catch fish, come back, eat. Go, come back. Till they die, they do. This Jonathan Livingston seagull got tired very fast. He got bored with this mundane routine thing. So this seagull decided to experiment. This seagull decided to go mad. When I use the word madness, is trying to be different. Trying to move away from the the usual path. Then it started, so if this is the sea, low flying, its duty is just to catch fish, come back till they die. That's the thing. This seagull started to look up. It started to enjoy the heights, different ways of flying, coming down. Of course, Richard Bach is a pilot, okay? He's an aviator, not in the military, the small biplane. So what happens is that when an aviator rides, or when somebody in military rides, he describes it beautifully. So that's one book all of you should read. And youngsters too. Okay, because so this book is just not for youngsters. It teaches you how to be different. Now, in today's world, today the Kalam's family from Rameshwaram, they sent me a video which I had tweeted. Beautiful video of Dr. Kalam's talk. So they have put some photographs and his voice is coming. So Dr. Kalam tells in one of his speeches that being ordinary, you need not have any effort. Absolutely no effort. But to become that extraordinary person, to be different, you have to put effort till you die. And it's a non-stop process. Everybody wants to be normal. Our parents also want, because neighbor's kid is engineering, you also go for engineering. What happened to me? The biggest tragedy in my life. There are many tragedies. Even now there are many tragedies. But what happens is that when you try to be different and when you take on the challenges head on and when you are fearless, automatically some systems within you will garner strength within you. You will also then develop this habit of, we have a problem, all of us, right? What others will think. The biggest problem with young, not with me, okay? I don't care. I just don't care because I have rediscovered myself. I have graduated to a level of ensuring that what others think is not my concern. It is very easy to say. It is very difficult to get onto that thing. The moment we plug the thing out, there is a lot of clarity. The only one thing youngsters should focus and report to is your consciousness. Nothing else. You have to report your consciousness. You have to have great clarity of thought and that unfinished hunger, that hunger to change. And to rediscover every day. There are some people who say, I know everything. Never say, I know. I never say, I know. What do we know? Did PhD gift me anything? Nothing. Zero. Did my MCJ gift me anything? Nothing. Zero. Did my BCJ gift me anything? Nothing. Then what did I gain? What I have gained is my life experience. What experiences I got from my failure, experiences I got from my what can I say, my, not fear, experiences I got from my experiments in life or a period of time. See, I was very clear that I must become a writer because the Hyderabad has taught me one lesson, okay, a lot of Hindi comes in between. for me, I was very, very sure. Later on, I heard this name called lockdown to target. Dr. Kalam always used to say, because a missile gets locked on to target. But without meeting Kalam, without getting into aerospace and defense, I was very, very sure, mujhe likhna hai. I wanted to write, nothing else. So I think over a period of time, if you are just ready to rediscover and ready to take challenges. See, in my case, Dr. Shashi Kumar knows, thrown out of the house. When I say thrown out of the house, not that dumb kiya, wo nahi. Engineering chhod diya, so they said don't come back. My parents are teachers. My father is headmaster, he's still there, 82-year-old. My late mother was an English lecturer, teacher. So pura khandan teachers hai. And plus teacher ka beta engineering chhod diya, but the big breaking news tha when in 92. Abhi to fashion hai, drop out. Now it is a big thing. Nobody cares if you see. Look at how world has changed. Today's new generation, the bro world, right? It's okay. And some people say, I'm taking a break. 12th standard degree ke baad break. So I'm not getting into it because tumhara life hai. I'm not here to to teach generations what they should do. There is a generation shift. Accept it. The problem with me, a 49-year-old guy, is I report to a generation, my father, who says he walked 10 kilometers, who had to bathe the cow, who had to do everything. And, to this generation, who perhaps, I also bathe the cow, all those cow shit and all. But if I tell my fellow, now doing engineering, cow? Understood, no? Crazy stuff, man. So this is a package, Amazon, Flipkart, world. Even a chai. Yesterday I went to in Bangalore. You can now order chai. No, I'm sure it is nothing breaking news. So a chai bhi aayega. Shayad माँ बाप छोड़ के सब कुछ Amazon में मिलेगा. Everything, isn't it? Everything is available. पता नहीं है कल शायद father में मिलेगा. But mother, I am very sure it will not get into these things. One thing. So in this world, I have accepted this generation shift. There is no point in telling this 21-year-old fellow, my father, I did like this. So I think the conflict, and I must confess to all of you, youngsters, my generation, the current generation, along with my father's together, joint venture, we have spoiled this world. We have spoiled nature. We have gifted tomorrow's generation. Definitely we are gifted a mother nature ruin. And all of us will suffer for that. This including me and all of us in some way for ruining this nature, we will suffer. The nature is giving it back in different forms. Like Kerala, my own state, God's own country. Classic example. Bapre. See, itna education hai, rights. Samosa ke liye bhi right. The size of the samosa kyun chota ho gaya? Next day strike. So what I'm saying, too much of thing blessing. So what India needs now, to Dr. Shashi Kumar's amazing topic, how simply he asking a very tough question, what India needs. India needs committed, passionate people. India needs perhaps netas who are educated. I don't know whether getting into politics is a different thing, but we need netas who are educated. That means educated people must choose politics as a profession. Otherwise, the guy who has not even passed 10th standard, who has, criminals, lot of guys will get in. That also we're not getting into. So let us not, in India we can talk a lot of things negatively. वो ठीक नहीं है, ठीक नहीं है. But more than anything else, I feel the biggest problem in India is Anand Krishna, Vaishnavi, Anusha. Why? Let us put ourselves in a box and ask, Forget about what Narendra Modi does or Rahul Gandhi does. No, we will not get into it. Are we committed to the nation? First question. Tonight, ask yourself, go to the bedroom, sit on the bed and ask, am I committed to the nation? Now, what is this nation? It is not India map. The nation is the fellows who do not have the same kind of facilities or same kind of liberties or the same kind of access. Remember, access is a huge thing in India now. Even to get a dose, I am into COVID, silent COVID mission for the last 1.5 years. Bapre, the kind of access, the kind of, I would say, power. If you are in power, if you know people, you will get the doses fast. So we are ensuring injections for people who don't have anyone. People from Jharkhand, people from Uttarakhand, people from Gulbarga villages. Koi nahi hai. Imagine the case of a driver who is in Bangalore or in Hyderabad. Usko koi nahi hai. Nobody is there for him. Who is he? Are the people who do not have access, do not have PhDs, do not have cars, are they also not co-passengers of this nation? Are we thinking about them? No. We are only bothered about ourselves. It's a selfish nation. I'm not getting into other countries. Let us focus on India. This topic is what India needs. India needs selfless people. Cut away the politicians. No, don't get it. Let us look at it. Are we selfless or selfish? We stay in a small 2-bedroom rented house for the last 17 years in Bangalore. I'm in Bangalore for the last 21 years. Ek ghar pe 17 years hai. One bedroom is Department of Physics. My wife is a physics teacher, so online classes Department of Physics hai. Another bedroom is engineering, electronics department hai, because uska hai. So now there is a hall. Hall mein kutta hai. There we have a golden retriever. So eventually I am out now in the balcony. So I have set up a small place. I'm a huge disciple of Adi Shankara. So Shankara plays and Kala, Guru Kalam, all that. Why I'm saying all this is, Corona has taught me one huge lesson which I have not learned from anyone. Corona has really opened up the pain and shown suffering. Khana nahi hai, pina nahi hai, kapda nahi. Okay, kapda ko chodo, at least job nahi hai. You know how many people have dropped out from schools and colleges because they don't have money to pay fees? You know how many cab drivers have to just sell their car for whatever money because they don't have customers. They have to pay the EMIs. So many people. So I think, it's so much of distress, so much of pain in humanity. Still, we are only bothered about ourselves. We are a selfish nation. Number one. We are a nation that talks too much. Number two. We are a nation who does not walk the talk. Number three. Number four is we are a nation which allows the politicians to fool us again and again. Number five, we don't care for others. Social media, we are all superstars. My mother's death anniversary, I went and gave 100 apples to orphanages. Oh, bada photo, apple ka photo, mother ka photo. Immediately comment aate, oh great, God bless you, God bless you. So 345 comments and 46 likes and 17 shares. Great job. So we are a nation which we like these anniversaries. In the next 1 week, we will become super, kya bolte hai, patriotic people. August 15th, Bapre. Have you seen all of So we are a patriotic nation when? August 15th, January 26th, Olympics when India gets a medal, and when the Javan's body is wrapped in the tricolor after he supreme sacrifice for the nation. Great. So 365 days में almost 350 days हमारा काम, and बीच में एक कुछ आता है ना, out of 9 people out of 10 whom I met are like this. Perhaps all of you are that one person, okay? So, pardon me if I am, see, and another thing, what is the role of a journalist? What's the role of a person like me? I've got lakhs of followers on social media. That's another thing I want to tell, what India needs. India needs people, Anushas and Yadus and all the guys, Asha, whoever has come, youngsters, investing in themselves, not investing on social media and wasting time. अरे यार, this nation, we don't care for time. We इतना time waste करता है. India needs people who do not waste time. Because I follow military as a journalist, those fellows have taught me discipline. 10 o'clock interview, you have to be there at 9:45, and security clearance, you have to be there at 10. Over a period of time. Discipline नहीं है. Are we a disciplined nation? Are we a disciplined nation? क्यों medals नहीं मिल रहा है बोलो? एक सिल्वर, 2 ब्रॉन्ज, क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है? इतना लोग, so many people have gone to Tokyo, नया जैकेट सब पहन के, इंडिया का फ्लैग, What happened? Why? What is the problem with the country? I was just looking at the medal tally. Ever since Olympics as a kid, every paper used to have this medal tally. First will be America, okay, now it is China, whatever. We'll be some 140, 165. And we are so happy with 1 silver medal, though I'm not getting numbers. We are so satisfied. Because अपने को choice नहीं है ना. Gold तो मिलता नहीं है. Then people can say, let us be satisfied with whatever. I'm not undermining the gold, the silver and bronze. This is what Dr. Kalam always used to say. We should stop this syndrome of becoming 7th in the world. Why not first? 8th in the world. बोलो, क्यों? Because we have kept our targets, our passion levels so low. हमने खुद ही डिसाइड किया इतना ही है. And very easy to say the phrases like lock onto the target, chase your dreams. Very easy to say that this Tokyo Olympics is the classic example of every time. फिर आएगा another 4 years. Let me tell you, story is not going to change. Why? Because हमारा system वैसी है. Because politicians are running sports bodies. Just look at the thing here. Politicians run sport bodies. Guys who would not have even, so look at the sad state of affairs. We are a nation. We are not a truthful nation. Definitely not. खाली time waste करना nation है. Absolutely time waste nation. So young fellows who are listening to it, this particular session of Dr. Shashi Kumar, please remember one thing. ये प्रभाषण सब सुनने की कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है. All we have to do is that surrender to the causes what we believe in. You have to samarpan. You have to have that tapasya. That unless that tapasya format you get in, unless you surrender to the tricolor रहना है हमेशा. All the time. I listen to national anthem whenever I want to get some inspiration. And every time I cry. और क्या चाहिए बोलो? क्यों सुनना है दूसरा songs? I'm not telling, I'm a great music lover, okay? But what I'm saying, see, my relatives might be definitely thinking I am mad. Yeah. In fact, my own people have asked, क्यों कलाम के पीछे पड़ा है? So, वो South Indian mentality थोड़ा अलग है, छोड़ो. I'm not getting it. I don't want to. So, So please understand one thing. This is not I am saying, I have read somewhere. Don't take on the system. Don't take on anybody on social media. Don't take on people who are, and waste your time. I read somewhere, I don't remember. Don't take on anyone in your life and waste time. Make them irrelevant. समझ में आया? Make them irrelevant. Social media has killed India. Social media has killed youngsters. Because इतना system में घुस गया. Social media has become the engine. In life, you have to be the engine. You should never allow emotions to become the engine. I keep telling youngsters. Now today, just imagine I'm not using which social media tool. I don't want to give undue publicity. There is one social media tool. It refused to listen to Indian government laws. Imagine. Huh? Separate republic है उन लोग. How is it possible? हमारा देश का rules they don't follow. Look at the arrogance. So what India needs? India needs more people who are passionate about the tricolor. And what is this tricolor? To me, this tricolor is my work. The tricolor shines when Anand Krishnan puts more effort to whatever he likes. So the tricolor shines within my heart when I give my 200%, whether it is my social work, whether it is my writing, whether it is chasing whatever I like. I must tell you, Dr. Shashi Kumar perhaps knows little bit. I have never let anything come closer to my passion. I am the custodian of my dreams. I am the custodian of my passion, and I decide. I'm not talking arrogantly. मेरा life इतना struggle करके, इतना sacrifice करके, तो मेरे लोग पूछेगा, एक बैंगलोर में घर नहीं है? हाँ? No house in Bangalore? Because I never chased owning a house. And the Professor Corona has come and taught so many lessons. It is not your PhD, it is not your number of houses, the car you drive, kuch nahi. It has demolished everything. The biggest teacher at least in my era, Corona, I think the biggest teacher. But did we learn anything? I'm sure people will forget soon everything. So, especially the young folks, where my focus is, please remember one thing. First and foremost is that I have a talk series, mentoring program, which Dr. Shashi Kumar knows. In fact, he had recently launched the logo for it in one of the sessions. Design your life. And, I'm not going to market it here. I'm not marketing my talk here. We all should become great designers of our life. Youngsters. How do we become great designers of our life? Get up in the morning. First and foremost thing. Program your day from early morning. Definitely 5 o'clock. If you get up early, that's what, India needs youngsters who get up at 5 o'clock. Somebody can ask, why not 6 o'clock? Okay, Baba, no dispute, 6 o'clock, but at least by 6 you should be up. If you want Olympics medal, I'm watching all those Kenyans, Uganda, chote nations. All are getting gold. Kyun? Because they got up in early morning and ran, and they ran, keeping that Olympic podium in their minds. You have to sankalp karna hai. Yeah, gold medal. Hamara log athletes come back with some, I'm not underestimating, whatever medal, 2 years it will be felicitations. Award ceremony, that government, this government, that government. So I think, India needs lesser celebrations. ठीक है, जीत गया, focus. I'm sure the man who lost in the 200 meters or something, who got silver, he would have already decided next 4 years for preparation for the next one. So India needs better programmers, not computer programmers. So, this is my, he has given a topic which is so passionate about me. एक घंटे का talk में कुछ नहीं होता है, but at least remember, social media को हटा दो. Use it to bare minimum. India needs people who help others always. Any of you guys have got 10 watches? Over a period of time, give away, keep 2 watches. If you have 10 shoes, look around, Panchabuddhas, the universe will show you. Hey Shivam, that fellow doesn't have a shoe, give it. Winter is coming. I'm sure any wardrobes you get in, there will be some 5-6 jackets. So many. You know how many people are shivering out there? Delhi ka scene, I have a lot of my friends who are into huge social service. Give away things. And keep only things what you need. Detach. That is what Corona has taught. See, a lot of people call me for help. The rich and billionaires, एक बेड चाहिए हॉस्पिटल में, एक सिलेंडर चाहिए. Billionaires है, okay, billionaires. One in the electric crematory, is it possible for you to get 1 slot? I think, it's a great teacher. I salute Corona. Now, salute Corona for what? It has shaken up all of us. It has given us new direction in terms of taking care of others. Look at the pace at which we were going. Blind nation. I am only talking about India. I'm not, because मेरे देश के बारे में I can talk. Nobody will jail me. And because it is my country. It is my tricolor. And I am India. What India needs is everybody should tell, I am India. Not when India-Pakistan cricket match happens. So India needs youngsters who don't waste time. India needs youngsters who respect elders. India also need elders who accept the fact that this is a different generation. उन लोगों को तंग मत करो, छोड़ देना. Don't go back with the story. Don't go back with this generation behind them telling my stories. अलग syllabus है. Syllabus अलग है. Accept कर. So acceptance is the key, not in life. And cut off yourself. I'm not telling this. So many people have told, but I got really inspired. Selfless karo. You become invisible. You have to help others. There is no other go. What India needs is, India needs people who will take care of others. Nothing else. Forget gold medal, forget PhD, forget kuch nahi. Mera bacha, mera this thing, mera ko cut karo, cut off you. And you will see the magic. And youngsters should start collecting these blessings. When you help somebody, look into their eyes. They will be, so these are the things you should collect in your basket. And most importantly, if you help someone, nobody should know. Become a huge devotee of silence. See, as a journalist, as a social activist, and because of the number of people who chase me, at times I will have to put out something. But most of the social media posts which I do, out of 10, 9 are of others. Because तुम्हारा सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट के लिए उन लोगों को लेके आना है जिसको सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट नहीं है. तुम्हारा सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट में उन लोगों का स्टोरी आना चाहिए ताकि बाकी लोग इंस्पायर हो जाता है. So welcome people who don't have anyone into your life. India needs more people who welcome others. And let me tell you, young fellows, magic hota hai. I am experiencing it. India don't need missiles. India don't. Forget about all that. Post Corona, the हम बात करना तरीका भी change करना, thought process भी change होना है. India needs non-complicated human beings. Make life so simple. इतना simple रखना है. You know, become better garbage clearance. Black, wet garbage and dry garbage separate करके देता है ना, we give, right? What about our wet and dry and garbage within us? Ask yourself, am I a garbage collector or am I a garbage remover? हम इंडिया में बहुत ज्यादा बात करते हैं. बात करने वाला ज्यादा, काम करने वाला कम. हम जब भी वो ओलंपिक मेडल में एटलीस्ट टॉप 20 में जब भी आएगा, when we are surrendered to the causes. Nobody is surrendered to the causes. एक मेडल लेके आता है, then there will be a lot of people, पद्मश्री चाहिए, पद्म विभूषण चाहिए, वो चाहिए. I know I am so close with so many top sports stars. This is a nation that has got more holidays, more awards. Award, हमारा देश का नाम चेंज करके कुछ अवार्ड, अवार्ड है, ऑनरिंग, पुरस्कार, shawls, mementos. This is a nation of mementos. So the biggest, award we should give and receive is help. We should just help people. Whatever it is. Now, as Dr. Shashi Kumar has organized this talk on 4th of August, one word add कर सकता है. What India needs now. अभी क्या चाहिए? India needs youngsters who own this moment. Are you owning now? कल के बारे में सोच रहा है. Tomorrow, yesterday's thing. So we are caught between this yesterday's pullback and tomorrow's own now. I am not telling this. I am not the first person who is telling this. मैंने जो कुछ बोल रहा है पूरा कॉपी है. I am a biggest copycat. I don't need awards, rewards, followers. I keep telling all these young fellows on Bapre. What is the use of 10 lakh followers when you don't get a hospital bed? तुम्हारा followers आके बेड देता है क्या? So keep life very simple, non-complicated, and most importantly, if possible, रिलेटिव्स को दूर रखो. मेरा पर्सनल एडवाइस है, दूर बोलते जितना दूर रिलेटिव्स को रख सकता है उतना दूर रखो. इंडिया नीड्स, आई वुड से, if okay, let me know. I think that's it. Dr. Shashi Kumar, I think thank you so much.
I think that is what Ananthakrishnan speaks. India needs independence. Not as a country. For every individual, you need independence so that you can become simple. So one of my book is Life Made Simple. You need to know how to love. That's why my book is Life of Love. And we need to love the rhythm of nature, being with others. One of my book is Rhythm of Life. And what we need is what India needs. WIN, that's winning. If you don't win yourself, India will not win. And if you need to win, One of my poetry is don't write script for others, write for yourself. Don't make others to write script for you, write yourself. Your own script. That's what is life design. I'm sure you have to be passionate, you have to be patriotic, you need to be disciplined mad fellow. That's what Anandakrishnan says. I keep saying, if you want to become expert, you have to be a pert first. And that is the pert which all of us should have. The pert for a different kind of reflections which we can make on different things around us. Once we start reflecting, it's like a mirror. That's what Shankara said. Manam darpana samanam. When you reflect, only moments are there. You are not in front of the mirror, reflection is not there. So always reflect. Manam darpana samanam. The manas have to reflect. For which you need that tapas. That's what Anandakrishnan said. The tapas is that boiling inside. Tapam has to be there. For those people who has got tapam for somebody else. That is what is tapas. So that tapam has to be there. So create your own life. That is the message. I don't have anything to ask. Whatever I have to speak or I have to ask, it is reflected as essentially, as aptly, as perfectly as probably I expected or more than that. What India needs is, we need a lot of people like him. I keep quoting Vivekananda saying that he said, if you want to know India, look at me. I am the condensed India. That's what Vivekananda said. If you want to learn, you must know those people who have lived for our life. That is what we keep on hearing from our parents. Make your life better. No. Make others' life better. Care, love, share. That is what is essential. So I'm sure that is with that note, I will open up to others, whoever want to ask questions or reflect or make comments. Try to be brief so that we can hear and learn more from Dr. Anandakrishnan, because most of us are meeting almost every day. There are different reflections coming. We could just make our points and then see what Dr. Anandakrishnan has to reflect. We will spend another maybe 12 to 15 minutes on this. Welcome. Anybody, you could unmute and then start. Yeah, Nila, come on, don't have to ask, you unmute. Whoever does first is there.
So thank you for this great session, sir. And my question is it true, sir, that China is going to fight with capabilities and not with manpower? And what we should do for this, sir?
Sorry, come again. What's that?
Sir, is it true, sir, that China is going to fight with its capabilities and not with manpower? And what should we do as a country? What should we do, sir?
Yeah, so if somebody is taking you on with capability, we should also have capabilities, right? You understood, right? Why China? If your neighbor is trying to hit you with something, so you should be having a system that you will be able to take on your neighbor. Simple as that. So, yes, definitely that's a country which not much is known what they have done, but they are capable of doing many things. So what we should do is that, if you're just asking a question pertaining to our military capability, we must make it in India. And is make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat sab sunne ke liye acha hai, lekin are we really heart of the heart we want? Do we have the capability? So that's another topic. So I think, how did China build the capability? God has given nothing extraordinary to China, or no magic happened there. People slogged. People really, and then you can say communism. Don't get into these excuses. Look at the case of Japan. Itna tragedies aa gaya wo nation mein, but every time they fell, they rose. And India, every time they fell, something happens here, there are 100 people trying to blame. Hamare nation that blames will never grow. वही हमारा प्रॉब्लम. We are a blaming nation. Do we own this nation? I keep asking youngsters, how many of us own this nation? If we own this nation, we get up early morning. If we own this nation, we think about others. If we own this nation, we give everything. First start owning the nation. उसके बाद automatically medal सब आएगा. Capabilities बन जाएगा. Technologies are not built by robots. Technologies and capabilities are built by people, you and me. हमारा सोच, हमारा विचार सीधा रहना है, टेढ़ा नहीं. So in that sense, perhaps we are also a nation which is not straight. Anand Krishnan is the problem. I am the problem, I am the solution. So you have to accept that Anand Krishnan is also a problem. So we are the problem, we are the solution. Why? And honestly यार, आजकल इतना कार्निवल हो रहा है दुनिया, हमारा देश में, politicians on, I want to just ask all of you, after Guru Kalam left, tell me one person, one neta or somebody at that level or some levels down talking to India's youngsters. Name one person's name. Constantly. Why did Kalam was so famous? Why was Guru Kalam famous? Because he held all of us in his heart. He had wiring with the gardeners of India. He had wiring with the farmers of India. Unless we are wired. He was wired with the train driver or train driver or a pilot, whatever he called. He was wired with the fisherman. He was wired with the common man of India. He thought about them. Agni missile, the composite that was used, uska spin-off technologies were used for making calipers for people who did not have proper legs. Spin-off technology. So today we are a nation of seminars. Seminar में आज देश आगे नहीं जाएगा. Look at the calendar and how many holidays we have in a year. I'm just telling you, कितना holidays है. Look at the government officials. खुश है ना? मैं भी 4 साल एक government company में काम किया as a spokesperson. I'm not purposefully naming the organization. What a luxurious nation this is. Baapre. Seriously. Yeah? So capabilities अगर build करना है तो first be loyal to the nation. China को blame करके कुछ फायदा नहीं है. They will come back stronger. Mark my words. They will come back stronger and mightier. And we will have 9 p.m. debates on news channels. You will also see me perhaps one day. I don't entertain too many. I have kept all these fashionable things out because मेरे पास इतना काम है. So, Dr. Kalam used to always say, strength respects strength. So as youngsters, invest in your strength. If you invest in talking, देश आगे नहीं जाएगा. Yeah, I hope Edu, no question can ever get a complete answer. Okay? Because मैं तो China expert नहीं है, but what I'm saying, generally, there is nothing complete. There's only one phenomenon that is complete, which we are lucky to see and experience in this world, according to me. And that phenomenon is called mother. Complete. Yeah? Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, somebody else? Quick, fast.
Good evening, sir. It was a wonderful talk. So, my question is, what are your views on nationalism versus globalism?
What do you do? Krishna?
I'm a student.
Of
Physics.
which, what level?
I completed my BSc and I joined MSc.
MSc Physics.
Yeah.
Bapre, please give me a break. I can't take on another MSc Physics. 21 years I've been tortured by a lady who is MSc Physics, my wife. Bapre. Day in and day out. Now I am in, again one question comes for another MSc Physics. Jokes apart. Now let me hear from you, Krishna. What is your view about nationalism and globalism?
Nationalism as an identity is required so that people can live together, because humans are social beings. And globalism, it kind of rejects it. Globalism is also important, that not only my country but also what is the situation of people around the globe. And then we have people who reject nationalism and go for globalism. So that can be problematic, but I think we can have a mix of both. That's what I think. But politically, it is motivated, this topic.
So there is definitely good wiring in your thoughts. Those wiring are in very initial stages. I'm sure when you complete your MSc, wiring will become stronger. Honestly, Krishna, I never bothered about this nationalism and globalism and all. हमारा मेरे बारे में बोल दो, okay? I can always give you an answer to as a Dr. Anand Krishnan. Do you want a Dr. Anand Krishnan's answer, or do you want the Anand Krishnan's answer? What do you want?
The Anand Krishna.
Yeah, that is what matters in life better. All these decorations, समझ में आया ना? Forget globalism and nationalism. अपना local का देखो ना, आजू बाजू का लोगों. Your vision gets brighter when you start seeing the person who is next to you, not the person at far. Agreed ना? लेकिन हम देखता नहीं है आगे. Hey, I forgot to ask Yadu, what do you do?
I've completed law, sir. BLLB.
Law, okay. Yeah. So all the best, Krishna, for your MSc Physics. I hope I am talking to a future... What?
Researcher.
Researcher. Great.
Thank you, sir.
And please, एक चीज याद रखना, Krishna and Yadu and all the youngsters here. Newspapers पढ़ना. I'm not trying to promote journalism. वो feeling ना, वो news का. Whatever newspaper, whatever language. I'm not telling English. हम सब विलेज में से local papers पढ़ के आए हैं. Okay? I still remember. Anyway, so please keep reading. Don't have to read every book. कोरोना और एक चीज सिखाया, प्रोफेसर कोरोना. ज्यादा नॉलेज में भी कुछ फायदा नहीं है. Seriously, don't have too much of love for the nation. No, everything has to be just see. I am a very need-based chap. I've kept it like that. अभी आदत हो गया. If at all I'm mad about anything, is my late mother. माँ लोगों को ना, and my pranams to all your mothers. जाके बोलना, एक पागल आदमी से आज मुलाकात हो गया. Guru. Abundance in love for the Guru and mother. It is essential for success in life. And then perhaps tricolor. बाकी सब चीजों and tricolor बोलते I'm not telling have Indian tricolor का ये वाला, I know all those things, right? Wearing t-shirt, and this is also what India needs. India needs less t-shirts. Seriously, either everything is on t-shirt. Save tree, save pollution. टी-शर्ट को बैन करो. सी आई एम ए बिग टी-शर्ट फैन. ओके, बट ब्लैंक टी-शर्ट्स है, कुछ नहीं लिखा है. जो कुछ लिखा है पूरा मेरा मन के अंदर है, बाहर नहीं दिखाता. So, Dr. Shashi Kumar, India needs a ban on T-shirts with this thing. No writing on T-shirts. Yeah, okay. Chalo, I have another 10 more minutes.
Yeah, if any more questions or any more takeaway which you got, any comments fast?
Good evening, sir. I'm K. Vaishnavi. I've completed my BSc from St. Francis College.
What did you complete, BSc?
BSc Maths, Physics, Chemistry. So I'm
Physics.
planning to take MSc in Physics.
No, I'm not answering. मैं थक गया यार, physics तो नहीं होता. चलो, jokes है.
So it's not a question, sir. It's just something that I observed during the talk. So
What did
there
you
were two
observe?
statements that
What did you
made,
observe?
Like,
What did you observe?
Yes, sir.
I hate relatives. Okay, tell me. Sorry.
there were two statements that you made. One about how Indians were being very selfish about what they want, and another that they think too much about what others think. Like they're so contradictory, but still we are like that.
This is what I have seen in this 49 years of orbiting the. Understood, na? Yeah. It is contradicting. I have billionaires as friends, millionaires as friends. All of them are waiting for vacation. They are worried about their Euro trip got cancelled. And if then some help is, so many things. So basically, the issue is you should have the courage to take on you first. Be ready to get hit. हम लोग प्रोटेक्टर्स हैं. This is a nation of तालियां मारता है. Blind nation. Speakers जाते हैं ना स्कूल में, बच्चे लोगों को बोलते हैं तालियां मारो. Nobody says I don't allow anybody to clap during my talks. Still they do it. What's the use of a nation that तालियां मार के आजकल बालकनी में भी तालियां मारा ना कोरोना को भगाने के लिए. भाग गया कोरोना. Everybody, even I did, because I also believe चलो. Anyway, that's a different thing. बीच में जो आजकल jokes भी नहीं मार सकता है. वही है problem. Just look at the thing. I am a guy who wants to. आजकल joke बोलते हैं उन्हें anti वो है उन्हें pro है. Look at the way we have now become a nation, divided nation. Very, very difficult situation. लेकिन डरना नहीं है, करना है. And that famous statement, जो डर गया सो मर गया. करना है, करते रहो. अरे people, look at my case. I don't care for my relatives. The biggest virus than corona. I don't want all you fellows to agree with me. My job is not to make you guys agree. Understood ना? मेरा काम पूरा साइलेंट काम है, किसी को पता नहीं है. लेकिन ऐसा कभी-कभी people like when Dr. Shashi Kumar says come, I cannot say no. So once in a while we make थोड़ा little noise. But Vaishnavi, आप एक बॉक्स में आज after this talk take a white paper. 15 people who matter to you in your life. 15 boxes face को लेके आओ. I am 100% sure 12 people will be selfish. And these 15 fellows are also part of this nation, right? A nation बोल के चीज क्या है? It is not the job of Narendra Modi ji to take the India forward. I am the Modi, I am the Rahul Gandhi, I am the Mamata Banerjee, I am India. And बकवास बंद करो, मोदी मोदी राहुल, इसमें से कुछ नहीं होने वाला यार. Tricolor, कर्म कर्म कर्तव्य. Surrender to your causes. वो नहीं करते हैं. अरे we elected one man as the prime minister, उसको छोड़ो ना, करने दो. ये राहुल गांधी के बारे में जोक मार के will India go forward? नरेंद्र मोदी को गालियां दे के will India go forward? What are we doing? A nation of just looking at others. Same thing what we practice at home. Neighbors. What understood now? What others think and what others do. It is a tough thing, but you can become like me. I don't care for anything. I report to my heart, my consciousness, and I have the blessings of Guru Kalam. Both hai. I have the blessings of my teachers. Aur kya chahiye yaar? I have the blessings of my mother. And Ashkal, I am also guided by Panchabuddhas. 5 elements of दिशा दिखाने के लिए. Very difficult. The commitment. Commitment is the key. Are we committed to the nation? बात करना, करने का है. करने का. See, we have to become ताकत दिखाना है. एक इधर इंडिया में पूरा तारीफ गिरी है. तारीफ. Oh, Anand Krishnan, wherever I go, I tell the schools, colleges, मेरे को बिठा के मेरा biodata read मत करो. 15 minutes. See, if I look at India, how India wastes time. I go to colleges, paid talks, okay? Because I also have to pay my rent, mera medicines, mera beta ka fees sab karna hai na. So what happens in India is that if I am being called for some lecture in a college or talk, 3 hours, welcome speech by principal, 15 minutes. Yeah. Tomorrow's Abdul Kalams and Shashi Kumars and Vaishnav, tomorrow's Kalpana Chawlas are all sitting. Not 6th standard. All the children are there. Front row mein all the teachers and teachers baith there. So first it will be a welcome address. Uske baad one lady with the lipstick and all these things, she will come and read my biodata for 15 minutes. So half an hour ho gaya. Then I will get 30 or, then my speech, uske baad vote of thanks. So now what we do is that we send a do's and don'ts to the organizations, institutions. No welcome speech. No mementos. No reading the resume on the dais. Nothing. Straight away, national anthem, talk starts, ends. India also needs people who worships time. The 4-letter word in our life has to be time, time, time. Time is everything. Time chale gaya, वापस नहीं आता है. Time, nothing else. भगवान है time. वक्त निकल गया. And India also needs people. Less people sharing quotations. We are a nation who shares quotations. लेकिन quotation में जो बोला है नहीं करता है. And Guru Kalam always used to tell, not all, whenever there were many occasions, through, they used to say, hey, did I really say this? Half of the Kalam quotes you are reading are not his. We are a fake nation. All the things we fake and कुछ काम धंधा नहीं है ना. अरे यार इसलिए देखो यार कुछ भी मत देखो. Olympic में क्यों why are we not in the top 20? कितना साल से देख रहा है. क्या देश में इधर खाना नहीं, अंडा नहीं मिलता, दूध नहीं है, स्टेडियम्स नहीं है. The problem is that एक छोटा सा यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पे कुछ 100 meters में कुछ मेडल मिले तो he will think he is Carl Lewis. He will start wearing a jacket, glass, Carl Lewis. The problem is we want to show off here. So Vaishnavi, you asked something and I answered something. But ultimately my role as a speaker, as a journalist is to penetrate into the hearts and minds of youngsters.
I think that is done and the concern is shared. That is what I keep on telling every day. Our idea is to share the concern to the next generation. So I think that is done today to a great extent.
Yeah, so I think, I have a dinner to attend. So thank you so
But
much for this opportunity.
Anandakrishnan, I keep my relatives always close to me. My brother is also attending here. TP Balakshmi
Okay,
is
but-
my brother.
Yeah, but you must respect. This talk is addressed to youngsters, not old people like you. Young fellows, please remember, दूर रखो relatives को. अभी भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ. नींद में भी उठ के बोलता हूँ. बाप रे.
Sir, one request. Sir, one request, with your kind permission.
Yeah, just finish fast. No intro.
quickly.
Straight go.
Yeah. Sir, namaskar, sir. Why our Indian people promote political leaders' sons as their own future leaders? Why? Can't we change? That's my question, sir.
I
Yeah,
think
so,
Ravi himself know the answer, but he is only prompting. Everybody
Yeah.
knows the answer. Yeah.
Students should know this one. They are projecting their families, everyone projecting. That's where we have to prevent that type of things.
No,
We are not giving the preference to merit. We are giving the preference to the political leaders' sons as their own political future leaders.
I will make a short comment on here, sir. Actually, we will keep our politics apart. Nepotism is there everywhere. Wherever you open your eyes, you can see everywhere. Government officer's son will be a government officer. Doctor's son will be a doctor. Engineer's son will be engineer. So nepotism, we will not get into that topic itself. I'm sure.
Aravind, yesterday I was talking to some students in Maharashtra. They all wanted to become ISRO scientists, and then I was asked to interact with them. When we did an HR program on ISRO, I was involved. I found no ISRO scientists want their children to be ISRO scientists.
Yeah, okay.
We had rarely by chance, if they are not getting any job somewhere, we had recently some controversy also on that. So it is sometime, if I believe that this is a good business center, probably I will involve somebody else to make. Yeah, maybe Anandakrishnan knows much better because he worked with a lot of military people. Military has that.
The issue with the Indian politicians are so smart. They know that the Indian public can be fooled so easily, so quickly, so smartly, because they know. And number two is that, take the case of Bangalore city. How many people go and vote? The election ke din mein Bangaloreans all will be out on trips. That is the problem. We don't vote. We are touring on the election day. Look at the percentage last election of cities here. India is thriving only because of villages. What Nehruji said is absolutely right. India's heart lies in villages. Dr. Kalam always used to say, हम लोग city में खाली दिखाने वाला है. Heartless people. Heartless people talking about villages. See, if you look at some of the TV shows, रूरल एरियाज बोलते हैं एसी रूम में बैठ के. कभी जाके देखा क्या है रूरल एरियाज मीन्स? कभी टाइम स्पेंड किया? नॉट व्हाइल ड्राइविंग डाउन सम फ्रॉम समवेयर. जाके देखो. I have gone again. Remember, I am not telling I have not done anything great in my life. I am just one ordinary fellow. But my madness have taken me to Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh. One orphanage, because we had this Guru Kalam Granthalaya. We set up small libraries in very small schools which do not have libraries. So उधर का एक orphanage Buddhist monk he wrote to me asking to set up a library there. Luckily, I had one of my classmates posted there. Either say books, they wanted lanterns. Imagine those lanterns है ना, power जब जाता है, carry करके गया. And from I went, it is closer to China border. 136 girls in an orphanage run by Buddhist monks. in the heart of Tawang. And those girls have not seen the world outside Tawang, and most of them outside the orphanage. I was so touched. I was so, Jitna, look at how blessed we are. If you would really want to see the real India, please backpack. Go to villages. I was playing a very silent strategic role for a very top scientific organization very recently. I don't want to again people attention nahi chahiye. तो ये बड़ा एक assignment था, silent strategic communication assignment of a top-notch organization dealing with aerospace and defense. मैंने उन लोगों को बोला, please assign 50 scientists to villages. Carry your models and show them, youngsters. Don't we want one more Kalam or Sarabhai or don't we want another, let us say, Mahendra Singh Dhoni? Don't we want more such people to come? उन लोगों को कुछ idea नहीं है how these things look like. We are only happy with the cities. Why? Because to answer Professor's question and what Aravind said, netas don't want development. समझ में है ना? वही है truth. Development अगर लोगों को बुद्धि आए तो कैसा देगा वोट? Huh? Will anybody come and give me 500 rupees to vote? Tell me, will anybody come and give me Anand Krishnan or Shashi Kumar or Aravind 500 rupees and a biryani to vote? Why? So that is the thing. So Netas have designed India in a way that will suit them. Scientists have designed India in a way that will suit their career promotion, their scientist G, वही है dream, scientist GF. Journalists have, Mera Khandan, Mera clan. Journalists have created a world according to their convenience, twisting and manipulating stories for their survival. Education system is so manipulated because it will suit somebody. Sports system is so manipulated because, एक ही क्वेश्चन हम खुद ही पूछेंगे, मैंने देश के लिए आज क्या किया? कल भी एक क्वेश्चन पूछो, मैंने देश के लिए आज क्या किया? If you keep on asking this question every day, when you get up in the morning, what will I do? I love this nation, but I'm not happy with the software that is running the nation. Now, when I say software running the nation, I'm not pointing at any political parties and all. I am not happy with. I'm disturbed because the people, all of us, are not wired enough. We don't, we all are islands of excellence. Anand Krishnan. Everybody thinks, Sachai. The courage to speak from the heart is what matters. I'm not talking about independence, which nahi. Independence, we have enough of freedom. But hamara kartavya karo, not 365 days. And come karo less of these carnivals. Dekha na? And importance. The only thing that we should give importance is tricolor. And what is tricolor? Before I sign off, it is you, it is me, it is Aravind, it is Anusha, it is Krishna, it is Vaishnavi. We form the tricolor. That Tiranga ka 3 color is just a thing. But अपना passion, the तिरंगा को ताकत तभी मिलता है तब हमारा passion, हमारा sweat, हमारा blood धरती में गिर जाता है. Hard work का. Thank you so much, everyone. Once again, my pronouns to all your parents, especially mothers. And lock on to the tribe. Stay safe, stay inspired. Jai Hind.
Anandu, remind you the Newton's law, every action there is an opposite equal reaction.
Are you telling that when I go, my wife will beat up because of relatives? I have taken enough insurance policies. I have told the insurance agent also. Thank you.
But she also knows that physics much better. She knows how it reacts back to you.
I have no issues with the MSc, my wife who is MSc, all that.
I know
have
you.
issues with
you
all right, so chalo.
Joke
So, and all the youngsters who are here, I've shared the Kala Mission's WhatsApp number. I shared that email. I only check. Okay, let's have a very purposeful communication, and I will be happy to help any youngster to chase his or her dreams. Not once, any number of times. You can test that. And anything related to your profession, your communication things, all that, if you need any help or any help for that matter, dial A for Anand. Yeah? Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you. It was nice interacting with you, Dr. Anant. Thank you. See you tomorrow with somebody else at 7:15. We have got tomorrow joining somebody from Canada who is a person from India settled in Canada, with a lot of activities around there to change the society. We'll meet tomorrow with Neera. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Anand. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Paul.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
Namaste.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.